All right, here it says a rectangular garden bed has 48 square inches inside of it. One side of the garden is 6 inches long. What is the length of the border around the garden? All right, so here we know 48 square inches. Remember, when we see square, what did they already do? Where do we see square? They're talking about area. And they also told us it was the space inside. So they gave us 2 clues. Because area is the space inside of my rectangle. Inside. And we find area, length times width. So I know they multiplied something to get to 48. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my rectangle. Now they gave us another clue. One side of the garden bed is 6 inches long. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. It doesn't matter which side, but I'm going to go ahead and put it here. I'm going to put my length is 6 inches long. If this side is 6, this side is 6. Now it says, what is the length of the border around? So we need the length of the border around the garden bed. So remember, if I'm looking for around, what are they asking me for? If they said around the garden bed, they're looking for perimeter. And that's found length plus width plus width. Now I know the length, but I don't know the width, at least not yet. So let's see what we can find out. So I know they found the area first, and area is length times width. The area was 48. Now I know one side was 6, but I don't know what they multiplied. So I could do my 6 times tables, right? And I would get to 6 times 8 equals 48. So now I know my width has to equal what? 8. Now do I know all the sides? Now can I plug it into my other equation? Yes. So perimeter equals 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 8 is 16. 12 plus 16 equals 28 inches. Remember, it doesn't need the squared. If you see square, that's area, not perimeter. We're looking for perimeter. 28 inches is my answer.